Hi guys, today we're making my favourite chocolate self-saucing pudding. It's super yummy and only takes 10 to 12 minutes to make. First we're going to add our dry ingredients, which is self-raising flour, cocoa, caster sugar, and then we're going to give them a nice whisk together. You can sift it in, but we're just going to whisk it. That's pretty good mixed. So now we're going to add the wet ingredients, except first we're going to add the 2 teaspoons of vanilla into the milk and then give it a stir before we add it. So add just butter, melted butter, and milk. Give it a mix with the wooden spoon. You want to make sure they're all mixed together nicely. Make sure there's no big clumps of the dry ingredients. Okay guys, now I just need to get my bowl, which has been pre-sprayed with some canola oil. And make sure you don't have too small a bowl. Trust me, I've tried before. And it just flows over the side. You might want a spatula to help you out with this bit. Okay, we've got most of the mixture in. So we're just gonna flatten it out. Don't worry, you don't have to be perfect. And then we're going to move on to the sauce. So the sauce is one of the simplest bits. We just need 2 cups of boiling water, 1/3 of a cup of cocoa, 1/2 cup of brown sugar, 1/2 cup of white sugar. So we're going to mix it all together. So we're done mixing, so we're just going to get our spoon and put it over here so then it doesn't dig a deep hole in your pudding. Just pour this on. And voila! Now we're just going to go and put this in the microwave. Walk across to the microwave, put it in for 10 minutes. We're going to sit this on top of the plate. And some microwaves, for it to cook awesomely, it might take 10 to 12 minutes. So I think 12 minutes and it's looking great. I suggest using these things, or you could use a tea towel because it's going to be very hot. Okay. Now it's looking pretty good. And I recommend to serve it up in a bowl with a bit of ice cream. Don't be stingy. And then you just want to get some ice cream. Let's see what it tastes like. Awesome. Cool it for 10 minutes. Pretty good. Enjoy. See you next time.